created the PMP Renewal Tracker Tool. This is very easy for you to track and ensure that all your PDUs are logged in and you have sufficient PDUs at your PMI CCR so that you don't get into surprises at a later time. As I told you, if you don't know, uh, watch my YouTube videos, top 10 mistakes which any PMP does. So to avoid all those mistakes, this is the tracker which has been created. You can start off writing the first thing which you need to do is just go ahead and get 8 PDUs to work as a professional. These are free PDUs. Write down your company name and then claim the 8 PDUs and the ways of working automatically. And then there is no certificate required. Write down your job description, okay? Then the second one, which you can go ahead and do agile course or under education. Let's say you have gone ahead and did Scrum training or you have did negotiation training. Write down the training name. Let's say it is Scrum. What was the provider name? Let's say scrum.org. And then what did you learn? You learn 8 PDUs here and 8 PDUs in Power. Okay. So you got total PDUs and download the certificate. Let's say you got your certificate and you have kept it under, let's say, Dropbox and under PMP Renew, PMP and Renewal 2025. Okay. Here you write down the details, where exactly the certificate is, and so on. And keep on doing that. So the thing which I wanted to highlight is you would need PDUs in 3 categories: ways of working, power, business. If any place you get less than 8 PDUs, it's gonna start showing you red color or pink color in this case. Let's say I just claimed 3 PDUs here. So this is 3, okay? This is pink color, which means you have not really got all the PDUs. Here the tracker shows 19. You keep on doing that. Let's say you did an agile under education. You did an agile course. And here again from, let's say, safe. And then you got business somewhere around 5. This was 4 and this is 3. Okay, again if you look at it, it gives you automatically 19. It is more than 8, so it is white, which means you are good to go. 7 less than 8, not, you need one more PDUs. 5, you need few more PDUs. And then here you've got total 31 and it has started turning slightly yellow, which means you are nearer to your goal. Let's say you have done a few more training, education. You bought a pack from me which has few courses like some course on power skills for PM, and then here you got 10 PDUs. So see, this has become 17. And you got another course from kavitasharma.net, which is business skills. And then write kavitasharma.net here. Similarly here. And then you got 10 business skills. Now it has turned 51, is slightly there. And let's say you've got few more. I'm just gonna write 15 here. Okay, you got 63, which is green, typical green. You are good to go for the PMP renewal. This is how you can go ahead and create and use the tracker. Download it from kavitasharma.net downloads and use it. Here I've given you a few information as well. So I wish you all the best. Go ahead and download this tracker free of cost. Use this to get 8 free PDUs. There is another course, what are PDUs, etc. It's going to give you 1 free PDU as well. So just go to free course CCRS and claim that code. I can show it to you right now here. This is one free PDU. You can find that out under the downloads as well. Go through the video and you should be able to claim one more free PDU, and hence you can claim 9 PDUs in total today. I wish you all the best, and in case you need 60 PDU renewal pack, you can buy that from kavitasharma.net PMP Renewal. The link is given in the comment section. Let me know in case you need any help. All the best.